everyone. This is a room tour of our room 115 in Building 10, which is the 70s, one of the 70s buildings at Pop Century Resort at Walt Disney World in Florida. Now, we've stayed at Pop Century before, and I've done a room tour before, but we were in the 90s building that time. We were on an upper floor, and some things about the resort have changed, which I'm going to be showing you either in this video or over the course of some other videos. But first I'm going to show you where we're located here. So this is the view right outside our door. It's actually very quiet and lush. And there's just some plants and stuff here. This whole green colored building is 70s Building 10. And then across there, where the big Rubik's Cubes are, that is the 80s section. And Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head are there kind of between the 70s and 80s. So, and this is our window here. And I'm really appreciative they gave us a room on the ground floor because then I don't have to deal with stairs. Although Pop Century does have elevators. Okay, and I have my magic band, which opens my door. And Ben is already inside. And this time we don't mind the small size of this room. These rooms are quite small, but it's only the two of us. And we'll each get our own bed. It looks like there's only one bed in here, but that bed is like a fixed bed. And then this table and chairs is one of the Murphy beds that folds down. If you didn't see our tour of when we were here in July of our family suite at All Star Music, we show you how that bed works in that one. So I'll link that up above. There's a little, basically this is a nightstand for the person in this bed. There's 2 plugs and 2 USBs right there, little shelf. And then you do have a table with 2 chairs.
And there's a footrest.
Oh yeah.
It's just support.
Yeah, it's part of the, yeah. And then over here, here's our window. And I did do a whole series of videos from Pop Century 3 years ago. If you want to go back, you can check those out. But the cabinet's like kind of pulled out from the wall. But there's an ice bucket up there and cups, and there's a coffee maker.
Disney coffee.
With, yeah.
50th anniversary.
50th, oh that's cool. 50th anniversary Joffrey's coffee and coffee stuff, and a nice little, see, like Ben said, his shelf here where Ben could set things like his mask, his magic band, and his phone. And then there's a beverage chiller underneath. These ones with the clear doors are not actually refrigerators, they're actually just coolers kind of. And a drawer, kind of a shallow drawer. One of these is supposed to be garbage, oh, and one's recycling, but they don't actually say which is which. So. And then there's more plugs here, 2 plugs, 2 USBs, and a whole nother set on the other end. Nice big long cabinet space here. Was our name on it when you came in? Did it say like welcome? Yeah, but sometimes it has your name on it when you come into the room. And you can see the park hours are up there and the temperature, which is about 70 degrees warmer than it was at home when we left. Okay, and then in this cabinet, there are, oh, there's a Gideon Bible, a safe, 2 shelves, and then some drawers. There's 3 drawers. We have 4 handy hooks over here. Although I have to say, I do like it when hooks like these are closer to the front door. So like, especially if you have like a dripping raincoat, you can hang it up right away. And then we have the 1 queen bed. And the reason it looks like there's so many pillows is because half of those pillows are for the Murphy bed, which is folded up.
4 for each bed.
Right. And then there's another nightstand over here.
Gosh, that looks good.
Oh, and one in the middle. There's just tons of plugs. There's tons of plugs and tons of USBs. Phone over there too.
I really like that everyone has a USB plug.
Ben, can you push those switches that are there? Yeah, there we go. So that lights up there. And I think the other, oh, that one is the one around the Mickey pop art here. And then we have a sliding door here that divides off the bathroom area. Notice too, it is hard floors here. So
I think it matches good with the rest.
Yeah, it goes with the decor, but I mean, We've just come to expect that there's going to be hard floors in some hotels, and so we bring slippers.
Well, I just have slippers in both my suitcases now, so I don't really care.
Yeah. I will tell you, though, that it does make it echoey, a little louder. I do like the bathroom areas in Pop Century. So you come in here, they've got this really nice, big, wide sink, which is really nice. And there's plenty of counter space. And there's 2 more shelves down there, more shelves down there, and shelves up there. And they left extra toilet tissue and Kleenex for us. There's an ironing board here. I think the iron, yep, the iron and the hair dryer are in this little cabinet, probably to like hide them away from the kiddos. This little thing is a pull-out thing that you can hang stuff on. It's nice that they had it pulled out so you can see that it does that, because I discovered it late last time. There is a little closet here where you can hang some stuff. There's a good number of hangers in there. And then more shelves here. And there is a nice magnifying makeup mirror. And then there's another pocket door with a full-length mirror on it. And you can lock this one from the inside. And this is where oh, it's not a walk-in shower. Pretty sure our other room at Pop Century when we stayed was a walk-in, wasn't it?
No, this one was a...
No, you're thinking of Art of All-Star Music. When we stayed here in 2019, we had a walk-in shower. We did. I wasn't broken, so I didn't care, but I do remember, it's really hard for me with my ankle. I really would prefer a walk-in shower. Yeah, but he's got a point. Families with little kids want tubs. But I do remember, I'll look back and check, but I'm almost positive our room in 2019 here at this resort had a walk-in shower. Okay, and then they have the H2O products, which are going away soon. But they have them mounted in the shower for now. There is body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And I really like these tiles. Nice big shower head and a detachable one. And there's a clothesline for you to hang up your wet swimsuits and stuff. And I really like the color of these walls. So there you go. That is our room at Pop Century, room 115 on the first floor of 70's building number 10. And we are only here for 4 nights. We're here for 4 nights, and then we're switching to Port Orleans French Quarter. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the room tour of our room over there, because that'll be our first time ever staying at that resort, and also all of the vlogs and everything that'll be coming from this trip to Walt Disney World. If you enjoyed this room tour, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a great day and safe travels.